Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to set up Gmail delegation. Let's go. Open your web browser. Log into your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the list. Go to Accounts and Import tab. Click on Add another account. Enter an email address. Click on Next Step. Click on Send Email to grant access. The recipient will get a letter with an access link. They can accept the access request or reject it. To see who can send emails on your behalf, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the list. Go to Accounts and Import tab. You will see emails next to Grant Access to Your Account option. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!